name is Miss Louise and I have a new book for you. And it is about this thing. He is a wolf. And I see he is a grey wolf. Very nice. And this is the new book. And the name of the book is The Wolf Who Wanted to Change His Color. So, this is Wolf, and Wolf is grey. But he doesn't like his color. He will change his color. So, on Monday, he takes a big pot of green paint and smears it all over his body. For his arms, his legs, his tummy. And now, what color is he? He is green. So on Monday, the wolf is green. Look at that. Wow. Very nice, wolf. On Monday, the wolf is green. But then he looks at himself in the mirror and thinks, oh no, I look like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. I look like a frog, but I'm not a frog. No, I am a wolf. So green is not my color. No. On Tuesday, he put on a red jumper. So on Tuesday, the wolf is red. On Tuesday, the wolf is red. But he looked at himself and he said, oh no, I look like Father Christmas, like Santa Claus. But I am not Santa Claus. I am a wolf. Look. Ho, ho, ho. I am a wolf, not Father Christmas. No. Red is not his color. No. On Wednesday, he went out to pick some pink flowers. And he put the pink flowers on his body. So now, on Wednesday, the wolf is pink. Ooh, very nice. On Wednesday, the wolf is pink. Very nice. But the wolf looked at himself in the mirror and said, oh no, I look like a princess. But I'm not a princess. No, I'm a wolf. So no, pink is not my color. So on Thursday, he had a new plan. And he drew himself a bath. See? He drew himself a bath. But not a nice warm bath. But a very cold bath. So he jumped into the bath. And it was so cold. On Thursday, the wolf is blue. But it was too cold. He didn't like it. No, blue is not my color. On Friday, he was very hungry. So he took some oranges and he put the peels all over his body. And what color is he now? On Friday, the wolf is orange. the wolf is orange. On Thursday, Friday, the wolf is orange. But he didn't like it. He looked like a carrot. I'm not a carrot. I'm a wolf. Yes, you are. So no, orange was not his color. Ooh, on Saturday he had a new plan. He went to the pigs to roll around in the brown mud. So, on Saturday, the wolf was brown. On Saturday, the wolf was brown. A brown wolf. But, ooh, wolf, ooh, oh, you stink. Ooh. Brown is not a good idea. It smells like mud. Ooh, no, let's take it off. On Sunday, he had a new plan. He could see a peacock was sleeping. So he went to the peacock and he picked all his feathers and put them on his body. On Sunday, the wolf was so beautiful. All the colors of the rainbow. Red and yellow and pink and green and purple and orange and blue. He was multicolored. On Sunday, the wolf is multicolored. Multicolored. On Sunday, the wolf is multicolored. Very nice. Wow. Very nice, wolf. Very nice. And I think he likes his color. He likes it. But now all the girl wolves, I think they like him too. They say, ooh, wolf, ooh, wolf, oh, come here, wolf. But wolf doesn't like that. Oh no. Too much attention. Oh, I don't like that. No. So maybe this was not a good idea. So multicolored is not a good idea. So in the end, the wolf took off all the colors and looked at himself in the mirror and said, this is my color. And this color is perfect. Just the way I am. So, are you going to change it, wolf? No? Perfect. So, in the end, your color is your color. Just the way you are perfect. You're a perfect wolf. Goodbye, everyone.